Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu said, I wrote a letter to Umayyah bin Khalaf to look after my property in Makkah Mukarramah, and I will look after his in Medina Munawwara. When I mentioned the word Ar-Rahman, he said, I do not know Rahman. Write down your name, which was in pre-Islamic period. So I wrote Abd Amr. When it was the day of Ghazwa Badr, while the people were asleep, I took him to the mountain to save him. But Hazrat Bilal saw him, went out and stopped near the gathering of the Ansar and said, Here is Umayyah bin Khalaf. If he escaped, I will not be saved. So some of Ansar following our footprints chased us. When I was overtaken by apprehension that they might catch us, I left his son behind so as to keep them engaged. But they killed him and started searching us. And they were bulky men. When they approached, as I asked him to sit down, so he sat down. I covered him with my body to save him. They struck him with their swords from beneath me and killed him. And I also got a sword cut on any foot, and Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf would show us the scare on the back of his foot. Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari said Yusuf heard from Saleh and Ibrahim from his father. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2301.